CCBC Online Learning welcomes you to the Digital Accessibility video series, Complex Images and Data Visualization. This caption video supports online learning's CARE approach and its 4 core practices: Caption Everything, alt text for images, reader support, and easy to read. In this video, we will make complex data visualization more accessible. We will use a static image of a line chart to practice the complete process, write concise alternative text, add a useful long description, and provide the chart data in an accessible table. The same approach can be used for graphs, diagrams, maps, flowcharts, infographics, and other visuals that communicate more information than a short sentence can reasonably explain. Recognize a complex visual. A simple image usually communicates one main idea. A photograph of a microscope used only to identify laboratory equipment may be explained with concise alt text. A complex image communicates relationships, sequences, comparisons, trends, or multiple pieces of data. Common examples include charts, graphs, maps, scientific diagrams, flowcharts, and infographics. For a complex visual, do not treat alt text and a long description as competing choices. Use brief alt text to identify the visual and communicate its main point. Then provide the necessary details in a nearby long description, an accessible data table, or both. The purpose is not to describe every color, line, or decorative feature. The purpose is to provide the information a student needs to reach the same instructional conclusion. Open the hands-on activity. You may watch the demonstration once and then repeat it while working in your own copy. The activity, Complex Images Data Visualization, is in the Supporting Resources column for this video on the CCBC is Breaking Barriers with Digital Accessibility website. Open the Word document titled Activity, Complex Images and Data Visualization. The document contains a static image of a line chart titled Weekly Completion Rates by Course Section. Although it looks like a chart, it has been inserted into Word as an image and does not contain editable chart data. This is intentional. Faculty may receive charts such as screenshots, exported images, or visuals copied from another program. In this activity, we will practice making that type of complex image accessible by adding concise alternative text, a nearby long description, and an accessible data table. When creating your own chart, use a native chart and retain the source data whenever possible. Both native charts and chart images still require an accessibility review and an appropriate text alternative. The horizontal axis shows weeks 1 through 4, and the vertical axis shows completion rates from 0 to 100%. 3 lines represent sections A, B, and C. All 3 sections improve over time. Section B begins with the lowest completion rate and ends with the highest. That is the main instructional conclusion the accessible description must communicate. Add concise alt text to the chart image. Select the chart image. Right-click it and select View Alt Text. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, the command may appear as Edit Alt Text. In the Alt Text pane, remove any automatically generated description that does not accurately explain the chart image. Artificial intelligence can provide a starting point, but the faculty member must confirm the meaning, context, and accuracy. Copy and paste the following description in the alt text field. Line chart comparing weekly completion rates for 3 course sections. All sections improve, and section B shows the largest gain. This alt text identifies the chart image, communicates the central finding, and remains brief enough for efficient screen reader navigation. Do not place every data value in the alt text field. A long block of alt text is difficult to navigate and cannot be structured with headings or a table. We will provide the details in the document itself. Write the long description. Place the cursor immediately after the chart image. Type long description, select that text, and apply the built-in heading to style. A useful long description normally includes the purpose of the visual, the chart type, the axes and units, the overall pattern, important comparisons or exceptions, and the conclusion students should draw. For the information shown in this chart image, copy and paste the following description. The line chart compares completion rates for sections A, B, and C during weeks 1 through 4. The horizontal axis shows the course week, and the vertical axis shows completion rate as a percentage. All 3 sections improve over time. Section A rises from 62% in week 1 to 82% in week 4. Section B rises from 55% to 88%, a gain of 33 percentage points and the largest increase among the sections. Section C begins with the highest rate at 70%, increases gradually to 80%, and has the smallest overall gain. By week 4, Section B has the highest completion rate, followed by Section A and then Section C. This description begins with the purpose and organization of the chart, then explains the pattern and the most meaningful comparisons. It includes exact values because those values support the instructional conclusion. Keep the long description close to the visual whenever possible. A description in the main content is easier to locate, works across more formats, and benefits students with low vision, learning disabilities, limited data literacy, or a small mobile screen. Add an accessible data table. The chart image helps students recognize patterns quickly, but an accessible table gives students direct access to each value. Move to page 2 of the activity document. The source data is provided as tab-separated text. Select the 5 lines beginning with course week and ending with week 4. On the Insert tab, select Table and then select Convert Text to Table. Confirm that the table will have 4 columns and that the text is separated at tabs. Select OK. Place the converted table directly after the long description. Above the table, type Data Table and apply Heading 2. Select the first row of the table. On the Table Layout tab, select Repeat Header Rows. This identifies the column headings and repeats them if the table continues onto another page. Keep data tables simple. Avoid merged cells, split cells, nested tables, and blank rows or columns. Include units in the headings when they are not already clear from the surrounding text. The package also includes the same data as an accessible Excel workbook and a CSV file. When students need to sort, calculate, or conduct further analysis, provide the downloadable data in addition to the visual. Check and share the finished visual. On the Review tab, select Check Accessibility. Correct any remaining issue that applies to the finished document. The Accessibility Checker can identify missing alt text and some table problems, but it cannot determine whether your description communicates the correct instructional meaning. That review still requires human judgment. In Excel, use a meaningful chart title, descriptive axis titles, readable labels, and alt text. Keep the source data in a simple, clearly labeled table, and use the Excel Accessibility Checker before sharing the workbook. When the visual is placed in bright space, include the long description or accessible table on the same content page or in a clearly identified linked document. Bright space and Ally may flag a missing image description, but they do not replace the faculty member's review of accuracy, context, and completeness. You have now completed the basic workflow for making a static chart image accessible. Remember, concise alt text identifies the chart image and communicates its main insight. A long description explains the purpose, structure, trends, and important comparisons. An accessible table or downloadable data file provides direct access to the underlying values. WCAG Success Criterion 1.1.1 non-text content is the primary requirement for charts, graphs, diagrams, and other complex visuals. Success Criterion 1.4.5 supports the use of real text instead of images of text when the same presentation can be created with text. Use of color and non-text contrast are also important when designing data visualizations. Most importantly, do not make students guess what a visual means. Provide the same instructional information in a form they can perceive, navigate, and use. Thank you for helping CCBC break barriers through digital accessibility. Post-production checks do not read aloud. Review